This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a glide bait. First, let's gather our essential materials and tools. You will need a suitable piece of wood, typically basswood or cedar, along with lead weights, epoxy resin, and various paints. For tools, prepare a saw, carving knives, sandpaper in several grits, and a drill. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the entire building process. Having everything ready ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now, let's shape the bait's body. Begin by cutting your chosen wood blank to a length of about 6 to 8 inches. Carefully carve the wood into a realistic fish profile, ensuring a gradual taper from the head to the tail. This shape is crucial for the bait's unique swimming action. Once carved, sand the entire body thoroughly, starting with 100 grit and moving to 400 grit sandpaper to achieve a perfectly smooth surface for painting. Next, we focus on weighting and hardware, which are vital for the bait's performance. Drill small, precise holes in the belly of the bait to insert lead weights. The placement and amount of weight will determine its sink rate and action. Aim for a slow, controlled fall. Securely install screw eyes at the nose, belly, and tail for attaching your fishing line and treble hooks. Finally, apply several coats of a high-quality epoxy finished to seal and protect the wood. Our final steps involve painting and adding those crucial finishing touches. Start with a base coat of paint, then meticulously add detailed patterns and colors to mimic natural prey. Don't forget to attach realistic three-dimensional eyes, which add a lifelike appearance. Once the paint is dry, apply a final clear top coat for added durability and shine. Finally, attach your sharp treble hooks and test the bait's unique glide action in a pool or bathtub before heading out to the water.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.